What's up, everybody? I'm back. My name is Raph. I'm the CEO of Raph's Coaching LLC, and today we're back with another episode of Raph's Whiteboard. Episode 8 is our final episode of the season. We'll be back with season 2 with more gems, but today with the final episode, we got to give away a biggest gem, and that's how to get to 1,000 YouTube subscribers. At Raph's Coaching LLC, the YouTube just passed 1,000 subscribers yesterday, so we want to show all the love and the support and give it right back to the community. So if you're watching this now and you're already subscribed, thank you. If you're not, make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel. And let's get right into the steps. We're going to go through 4 easy steps of how to grow your YouTube profile to 1,000 subscribers or more. So the very first step you want to complete when you create your YouTube is to make sure it's public and you include in your bio what you do, some of the information that your channel will be around, your links with your social media and your website. That's really important. And then also make sure you have a banner above your profile and your videos have thumbnails. Don't worry, I'm gonna write all that down. That was a lot. So the very first part we're gonna go with is your bio. So make sure you have a full, complete bio that explains what you do, and your social media links is very important so people can find you in other platforms and verify what you're doing. You can also put your website on there, and then you also want to include in there, want to make sure your Canva is another resource that you have for your YouTube banners and thumbnails. You can find both there. And then again, your banner goes above your profile. And then we got your thumbnails. And then also include about you or your business. When people go on your profile, they want to be able to clearly understand what you do, what the channel is about, and some of the things they will be seeing weekly. If you don't have that displayed, they may be confused of what the channel actually provides. Why should they tune in next week for your next set of videos and such forth? So making sure that is visible when they go into your page. You want to do, second step will be your YouTube Studio. The YouTube Studio you want to definitely download from the App Store. It's totally free. It helps manage the data and your videos that you have posted to your channel. And this is super important of gathering views. Without the YouTube the Studio and editing your video after you post it through the YouTube Studio, the likelihood of views populating won't be there until you go in and do the edits around your video, only using YouTube Studio. What you'll get out of YouTube Studio is your data. You'll get your watch time and views. You'll also get time around when to post, when it's not to post, so you'll get insights as well there. And then the final thing you'll be able to do is add hashtags, bio, description, which are super important. So I'm going to put tags down here because tags is the biggest takeaway to your video. And tags are very similar to your hashtags, but they are separate in YouTube Studio. So tags and hashtags you'll be able to add to your video. So super important to make sure that you download the YouTube Studio after you download your YouTube. Another thing you could do, which is the third step, that's really, really cool, is join a YouTube Facebook group. Now within Facebook, if you type in YouTube, you'll find all these groups that are related to content creating, creators that are on YouTube that will help you grow your channel, rather that be subscribing to each other's channel, trading off watch time, just being supportive and getting subscribers that way. But it's a whole community dedicated to YouTube creators. So definitely check that out. It's a big gem. And it's on Facebook. Again, if you just type in YouTube subscribers or YouTube on Facebook under groups, you'll see all the groups related to YouTube. So Facebook group is super cool. YouTube, and again, what you'll get in these groups, you'll get subs, you'll get watch time, and then the biggest piece that's hard to get is you'll get the support around your channel. So that's really cool. That is another gem. And the last thing, which is the most important piece to all this, when you're doing YouTube, you want to stay consistent in your uploads. So uploading at least twice a week or once a week. I'm going to put twice a week. I saw a difference when I went from once a week to twice a week. And then the other piece is you have to engage in your channel. So that rather be comments to your supporters, your fans, and then you also want to post in the community section. If you drop a new video, you want to put in the community, hey, new video out, check it out, this is what it's about. That'll help drive traffic to your actual video. So those are the 4 steps. Thank you for taking me through. Thanks for joining and letting me go through this today. How to get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. First is complete your bio. Make sure you have your social media links, you have your website link. If you need YouTube banners and thumbnails, you can get them for free through Canva. That's an awesome tool. You can download that straight to your from the Play Store. About you, make sure that is in your YouTube channel so they can clearly see what the channel is about each week. It could be about you, your content creating, it could be about your business. And then you want to download YouTube Studio from the App Store. This will tell you data about your videos, your watch time and views, your insights. You can then edit your video for tags and hashtags, which is super important on reaching new audiences. If you're looking for support, the Facebook, YouTube group are super cool. You can get subs this way, watch time to trade off, and the biggest piece, you'll get support. And then the final piece of growing your channel is uploading twice a week, making sure you're also staying engaged with your supporters and fans on your channel. Rather that be comments, rather that be responses, and then also posting on the community tab for updates around your channel. All right, there we have it. Thanks again for joining. That's a wrap. Season 1 is in the books. We'll be back sporadically with new videos about different business topics. So make sure, again, you like, share, subscribe to the channel. Hang on tight. Season 2's on the way. I'll check you guys soon. Peace.